Excuse me, guys.
No, you can stay there. Stay there. 5. Is that how many you are? Should I take one away?
It's frozen.
No, you're 5. Okay. How come? I did. I put them right there. 5. I put 5.
I'm gonna show you.
Can you sit down, Debbie? Good job. Maggie. Thank you.
There are rings. Can you guys bring back up just a little bit?
Okay.
And every time, the kid's hand goes right in the cake. I've had a couple parties.
All right.
Okay.
Are we all ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Maggie and Carlos. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles. Blow out the candles. Carlos, blow out the
We
candles.
need to sing one more time because tomorrow's Delia's birthday.
Oh.
Ready? Let's sing Miss Delia. High in that.
Okay.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Delia. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now pretend to blow the candles out.
All right. Yep. 21. Exactly. Don't laugh so hard, Jason.
We can't put the candles on because if we put a candle on, the wind blows it right out.